In this video, we'll be seeing how we can create, access the message board, and interact with other project team members within SuperConstruct and all the different options available within the message board module. I'm currently logged in as a general contractor. Let me navigate into the company and access one of the projects. On clicking on the project, go to the Switch module from the left side of the screen and click on the message board. On clicking, you will see a screen with options to create a new message. And in this case, all the current existing messages, as there are a few previously created messages for this project in the message board. You can view these messages just by clicking on the message, and you would look and you would see the description, the date on which the message was posted, and the members. That can view the message. Also, you have an option to flag any specific message if need be, and prioritize or star mark the messages that seem important to you. And you will also see the status here if a message was received or if a message was sent over from our end. Now, to create a new message, click on the New Message icon on the top right corner of the screen. To create a new message, we can go ahead and click a specific category that needs to be chosen. Is it a question? Is it an FYI? Is it a pitch? Is it an announcement? Or you can altogether edit categories and add new categories based on your requirement. So now let's go ahead and click on Edit Categories. And you have an option to either edit or delete the above categories. And you also have an Add Category option right here. So I'm going to go ahead and add a new category, calling it Monthly Updates, and click on the green arrow right here. That automatically adds the category, and you will notice that Monthly Updates are added to the Categories option right here. I'm going to click on Close. Go back to the Create Message page, and you will see that Monthly Updates have come up under the Categories option. So for demo purposes, I'm going to choose FYI, and the subject would be a new phase of the project. And then I'm going to add the content of the message right here. So I'm going to type, as we have approached a new phase of the project, we have added new members to the team. Respective members will add them to the project card shortly. And then when I post this, who are we notifying? Are we going to notify all the people working on the project? Are we going to notify only the owner team? Or are we going to select specific people that this note has to go to? Or if it's just none, and you are sending a message just as a record for yourself on your view of the message board. In this case, I'm going to select all the people working on this project and click on Send Message. In this case, I'm going to select the owner team and click on Send Message. And you will see that the message has been sent and it populates under the Message Center. And that's how you create a new message under the Message Center.